Hello students, myself JK Joshi sir. Today we start our next heading in propagation of combination of error, that is error in product and division, that is simply multiply and divide. Now we have an example where the value of A is represented by A plus minus delta A and value of B is B plus minus delta B. The result of their multiplication or division is represented by Z, and the maximum absolute error in Z is represented by delta Z. Students, the rule to calculate multiplication and division error is we have to add the fractional error in all the components given, that is A and B. So we have to add the absolute error divided by its actual value. Simply we can say fraction error of A and B, that is delta Z divided by Z equals to fraction error in A plus fraction error in B. We have an example, that is example number 1. In case length and breadth of rectangular surface is given to you and we have to calculate area. So area is simply calculated by multiplying length and breadth, that is 3 multiplied by 2. The absolute values are 3 and 2. Both are in meter unit, so the result is meter square. But when we calculate maximum fractional error, we have to add the fractional error in A and fractional error in B in case of multiplication and division only. So the fractional error in length is delta L upon L and the fractional error in breadth is delta B upon B. By putting their values, we get 0.002, or we can write plus minus 0.002 with no unit. Now the percentage error in area is calculated by simply multiplying with 100. We get 0.002 multiplied by 100, that is plus minus 0.2%. The maximum absolute error in area calculated by multiplying area A with 0.002, that is cross multiplication. So we obtain delta A equals to 0.002, that is 0.002 multiplied by area, we get 0.012 meter square. Now students, it's a time to write the result. We can write the result in 3 forms, that is बच्चों रिजल्ट को हम 3 तरह से लिख सकते हैं बेटा. फर्स्ट है हमारे पास में एरिया with absolute error, that is 0.002. Now area with percentage error, that is 6 meter square plus minus 0.2%, and the area, that is 6 meter square plus minus 0.012 meter square. आंसर क्या देना है डिपेंड करता है क्वेश्चन क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एग्जामिनर ने आपसे पूछा है कैलकुलेट एरिया in percentage error form, then we have to write the second result. But अगर उन्होंने पूछा है calculate area with absolute error, then we have to write the third result, that is 6 meter square plus minus 0.012 meter square. And अगर उन्होंने हमसे पूछा है area with fraction error, then we have to write area A equals to 6 meter square plus minus 0.002. बच्चों अब बात आती है हम पहचानेंगे कैसे कि कौन सी टर्म हमें गिवन है. बेटा हमारे पास में यूनिट सिस्टम ही हमें पहचानने को कोशिश करवाएगा देखिए फर्स्ट रिजल्ट जो है उसमें यूनिट नहीं है, इसका मतलब वो टर्म हमारे पास में फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में है। सेकेंड परसेंटेज से क्लियर हो रहा है। अगर एरर की फॉर्म में लास्ट में यूनिट दे रखी है, इसका मतलब है वो हमेशा ही एब्सोल्यूट एरर होगा, बिकॉज एब्सोल्यूट एरर के पास में यूनिट होती है। नाउ इन केस ऑफ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग डिवीजन, कंसिडर डिस्टेंस d equals to 8 meter plus minus 0.008 meter and time is 2 plus minus 0.002 second. We have to find or calculate speed of particle with percentage error form. It means examiner ने इस बार हमको टारगेट गिवन दिया है, कौन सी फॉर्म में आंसर देना है। ओके, बट फिर हम सब कुछ फॉर्म में आंसर निकालेंगे। नाउ speed is the ratio of distance to the time, so it is 8 meter divided by 2 second. These values are taken from the given value, that is 8 meter and 2 second. Okay, directly. Now the result is 4 meter per second. There is no need to calculate the result with error. So now in case of division and multiplication, we have to calculate the net or maximum value of fractional error. So in this case we have to write delta V over V for V, and for D we have to write delta D over D plus delta T divided by T. By putting all these values we get 0.002, no unit. There is no unit of fractional error. In case of percentage error, we have to multiply with 100, so we obtain plus minus 0.2%. And in case of absolute error, we have to cross multiply this V with this value, so we obtain 0.002 multiplied by V by cross multiplication, and we obtain 0.008 meter per second. By multiplying 4 and 2 we get 8. Now the result we can write 4 plus minus 0.008 meter square. Both the term contains unit, so we can write just after the bracket. Now in case of absolute error, fraction error, we would write V, that is speed, equals to 4 meter per second plus minus 0.002. Students, we have to write the unit with the actual value, because there is no unit of fraction and percentage error forms. Thank you, students.